Attention, New Jersey Shore homeowners, I've been sent this craziness by multiple people today, and I honestly thought it was satire when I first read it. Assembly Bill 5172 would require the owner or their agent to not be present during a short-term rental. You heard that right. If you're at your beach house for the week, the owner or the agent has to stay there. So let me get this straight. A family rents a little 2-bedroom beach cottage for the week. Where exactly am I sleeping? On the couch? In the bathtub? Maybe I'll just recline the driver's seat and sleep in my car. Hopefully the rental has parking. And, oh yeah, what's my wife gonna say? And think about the guests. They're on vacation. They don't want the owner wandering around asking if they're leaving the AC on 70 while they leave for the beach. New Jersey Shore rentals have worked the same way for generations. Owners leave, guests enjoy the house, everyone's happy. If someone throws parties or breaks the law, crack down on them. Honestly, who comes up with this stuff? If this becomes law, the Jersey Shore won't just be known for beach badges. It'll be the only place where a vacation rental comes with a complimentary roommate. Absolutely ridiculous. I'd love to see someone defend this nonsense. If you do, I'll see you in the comments.